Hello, we're going to do a little walk around video on this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan with the Braunability ramp out the back. This video goes out to my boy Levi. I'll point out any of the items on the vehicle as we walk around. Overall, the vehicle is in great shape. Just a little dirty today. This is the Braunability conversion with the ramp out of the back. Braunability purchased Vision, the conversion manufacturer that did a lot of rear entries, and so this is a Vision Braun conversion. Got a little dent back there, and then this is a package that includes the backup sensors, so those do work when I was backing this up. It's part of that SXT Plus package. Like I said, overall vehicle's in great shape. There's one or two scratches. There's one there on the vehicle. Otherwise, good shape, good tires. Okay, so this car actually does have remote start. So we're gonna make sure the car is locked. And then this key fob here, we just press and hold on it. That starts up the car there. You press and hold on that again, it's going to shut it off. So it's nice for these cold winter days. Be able to get the vehicle up to temperature. You can do it on a hot day too, bring it down. Okay, so tailgate back here can either manually open, or we do have a power lift gate on the fob. That'll beep at you 3 times and then come down. So that power functions real nice. The lift itself here, the ramp, excuse me, you pull this lever towards us, and then we grab this handle here. And then that ramp comes out. It's a bifold ramp, so it's nice and low because you got a long angle. There's that power lift gate button there. You have a 3rd row shoulder belts set up there, spare tire. And then you have 2 wheelchair positions. And we have sliding clicks back here. Those are the wheelchair straps to be able to tie it down. So lots and lots of room here. Nice wide ramp. It's manual, so there's a lot less maintenance. Go check out the side here. These are power doors, so you can either pull on the handle there, you can click on the button, or there's buttons up here. You can turn the power doors off if you didn't want that as a function, right there. Then you manually open and close it. Vehicle has about 113,000 miles. Do tri-zone climate control here, that you can adjust all 3 zones. Radio, CD player. Overall in great shape. Hard to find these nowadays because Dodge discontinued them in 2020, and so you've got a lot of people trying to find it now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know if we can help. Mobility of Denver. Thank you so much for watching.